If your YouTube channel is not making money yet, steal this 3-step system I used to land my first 1K client without ads or big audience. Here's a screenshot from Stripe to show you that it actually happened. So while I still have a tiny channel, I was able to make good money and not from ad revenue. For context, I've been a self-employed digital creator for the last 7 years, so it's not the first money I earn online, but it is the first money I earn from my YouTube channel, and this is how it happened. I made this video about living in Spain as a digital nomad. It got over 30,000 views, and inside the video I simply mentioned that I help businesses grow their channels. And here's where the magic happened. One viewer got interested and then went to watch my other video where I talk about growing a YouTube channel. On that flywheel video, I made a direct pitch telling how I can help businesses with done-for-you video creation services. Then he clicked the link to my website, booked a call, and the next day I was talking with the CEO and general manager. We made a deal and I helped them with their branding and edited some videos for them. And this is how I earned my first $1,000 without being monetized. For my client, these evergreen videos keep generating views, inviting more users to their service, and create an amazing ROI for the investment in my services. Now, you must be thinking, how can you use this in your own channel? Here is my 3-step process. Step 1, make videos that get a lot of views. In my case, living in Spain and being a digital nomad is something that is interesting for many people, and it's something I can talk about with confidence. And honestly, it doesn't even need to be related to your offer, just casually mention what you help people with. Step 2, make a promotional video. This video is not designed to get a lot of views. It is focused to your ideal client, solving their problem. Then you simply make the call to action, tell the viewer exactly what they get and what they should do next to get it. Step 3, have a clear call to action in your video and place a link to your website in your description. If you want to learn how to earn your first $1,000 from YouTube, join the 30-day challenge in maruhieta.com. The challenge is about making 4 videos following the chain reaction content strategy that is designed to blow up small channels and make them profitable. Join today by clicking the link below. Listen, most creators and entrepreneurs fail to make money because they only make videos in the first or second category. If you only make popular videos that get thousands or tens of thousands of views, they might grow your channel and get engagement, but make $0. On the other hand, if you only make promotional videos, your channel might have a hard time growing because they get less than 100 views. $0. How to fix this? Simply start making both videos. Mention how you help people, then make a clear pitch in the second video. Put together, your channel starts making money. In effect, start thinking about YouTube in layers, not as a collection of random videos. When you're thinking about video ideas, use this 3x3 template. What idea can get a lot of views? What video can I create as the second step to sell my service? What is the outcome people want? Make it your offer. Okay, let's get serious. Most creators will watch this video, nod along, and never take action. They'll keep posting random videos and hoping for ad revenue. But you're different. You're ready to treat YouTube like a business. That's why I'm opening up 16 spots in my next 30-day challenge. We'll build your content funnel together. You'll make your first 4 profit-pulling videos, and I'll personally review your videos. Hear exactly what you get in the challenge. 6 modules to get the chain reaction strategy and know what videos to make. Weekly Q&A calls on every Friday for accountability and feedback. Group chat for support and sharing your videos. And a lot of free resources, like script templates. Right now with a discount price, but once these 16 spots are gone, the price doubles and you'll need to wait for the next cohort. Click the link below and join now before the seats run out. No excuses. Let's get your channel growing.